Good day, Dean. My name is Xylynd, and today I will be presenting my research entitled The Relationship Between Social Media Usage and Student Social Anxiety. Social media has become an important part of our everyday lives, especially among students and young adults. However, excessive use of social media has also been associated with various psychological and social concerns, including increased levels of social anxiety. That is why this study aims to examine the relationship between social media usage and social interaction anxiety among respondents. For this study, this utilized a quantitative research design and employed a survey method to gather data, and data collection was conducted through Google Forms, which allowed for convenient and accessible participation of the respondents. Two adapted questionnaires were used in this research, namely social media usage questionnaire and social interaction anxiety scale. And for that questionnaire, reverse scoring was applied to specific items as required for the original scale instructions. After data collection, responses were organized, scored, and prepared for statistical analysis with the use of Spearman's rank correlation. This is the raw results of the social media usage or my independent variable. The highest possible score here is 40, and among my respondents, the highest score is 31. This data shows that most students fall under the moderate level of social media usage, indicating that they engage with social media regularly but not excessively. Now, for my dependent variable, the highest possible score here is 80, and my highest score of my respondents is 69. The results reveal that the majority of respondents also experience moderate levels of social anxiety, followed by those with mild anxiety and only a few with high anxiety levels. The correlation analysis shows a coefficient of 0.21, indicating a weak positive relationship between social media usage and social anxiety. However, the p-value of 0.31 suggests that this relationship is not statistically significant. This means that there is no strong evidence to conclude that increased social media usage leads to higher social anxiety among respondents. In conclusion, based on the findings, a weak positive relationship was observed between the two variables, indicating that higher social media usage is only slightly associated with higher levels of social anxiety. However, this relationship was found to be statistically insignificant, not significant. So, therefore, social media usage alone may not be a strong predictor of social anxiety among the respondents. Based on the findings of this study, it is recommended that individuals practice balance and responsible use of social media to help maintain a healthy social and psychological well being. Furthermore, future researchers are encouraged to explore other possible factors that may influence social anxiety, such as self esteem, peer relationships, or academic pressure, and use a larger and more diverse sample to improve the generalizability of these results. That is all for my presentation. Thank you so much for